Hey everybody, BLG here. Welcome back to another Hands On with BLG. We made this for you. There you go. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this episode. No, we did actually botch new camera. I needed the hands-on to learn how to run a new camera apparently, but we got it figured out. So welcome back. Yet another exciting episode. Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I am Righty. And once again, we have a guest host.
How y'all doing, KLG?
What are we making today, KLG? Beer. Where's my beer?
Right there.
Fuck's sake.
We're making barbecue sauce, right?
Yes.
Low carb.
Low carb.
Low carb.
Yes. I'm going to show you how to make low carb barbecue sauce. No, I do not. It's good. I'll eat it. I do like this one, so I make it for the old lady. The one that doesn't like carburetors.
Hold on. I don't like how tall you are.
I'm tall.
I don't like how fucking tall you are.
Hi, I'm tall.
I don't like how tall you are at all.
Oh, God. Look at this, folks. Look at this guy. There we go.
I don't think I'm in frame.
Identical height.
But alright, let's get to
Let
cooking.
me move over a little bit.
Yeah, where do we start?
Shall we get to cooking, folks? We're going to move you to the pot area. Oh, yeah, that's his favorite zone. Look at this guy. Oh, man, you got any weed?
Oh, yeah.
You got any weed, man?
I bought my thank you. Thank you.
Let's get set up over here in your favorite spot by the stove. Once again, folks, do not step back. Your butt will get wet in the sink. Damn, right, he does look cooler than fuck. Look at that. Autofocuses. Okay, here's our pot. Right there's the pot. We'll get to it. What we need first, 1 cup of ketchup. That's a liquid cup, folks. It's going to go, you can scrape them right in there with that. Yes, it's going to go in the pot. Dun, 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 dun. Here, I'll just read them off and hand them to you. That's easier, right? We'll go right down the assembly line. It'll work better that way. Scraping into the pot. Good enough. We have half a cup very finely chopped onions. That goes in the pot. This is where it gets carb free, folks. Oh my God, this isn't open. I didn't prepare properly. But BLG, you're not supposed to be. I see a fly. You're not supposed to be like doing all this. I'm going to just go psycho on this fucking thing. You need a knife? That's not a knife. It's a fly that needs to fucking die, though.
No, I got the man hands. Don't worry, you'll get him one day.
I just killed him. Ha ha, I killed a fly.
How much of this do we need?
Okay, what we need there, we're going to do measuring cup stuff. Oh, great.
God damn it. There's a stopper inside.
Believe it or not, folks, it's sugar-free maple syrup instead of brown sugar. Pretend it's brown sugar, okay? And yes, the jug has kicked my ass, and now it's working on kicking KLG's ass.
Alright, we got this.
So we're going to pretend, oh, it's a smiley face. Look at that.
You see that in there? Look at that.
We're going to pretend this is brown sugar. So we're going to go dry measuring cups. I usually go, don't do that. That's different. Well, in this case, we're pretending. It's about the same density as packed brown sugar. So, here you go. No carbers. Prepare to barbecue. Okay, so we're going to do a whole one of these into there. Pretending it's brown sugar. That looks pretty good.
Looks like it's thrown up.
That's close, yeah. And we're going to do another quarter. Yeah, here, I'll take that one. I'll trade you. Okay. We trade. Together we trade. We trade. 1 cup and a quarter. There we go. We don't need that one anymore. Okay, let me get back on my station over here and start reading and handing you crap. 1 tablespoon, that's easy. We're going to do 1 tablespoon, that's the big one, folks. Of dry mustard. 1 tablespoon dry mustard. Comes in a yellow can, looks like that. In it goes. Okay, let me get the other tablespoons again. We got that in there. 2 tablespoons. You can do this one.
Okay, sure.
2 tablespoons. Oh, no, just put it in. Of Worcestershire sauce. What's this here sauce? 2 tablespoons of that. is going to go in to the sauce. To the sauce, folks. To the sauce. Sauce. And then we've got, oh, same effect.
Yeah.
Geez, look at you looking up at the people. Hey, people. 2 tablespoons
What's this?
of vinegar.
Yeah, I got this.
Vinegar, sour stuff. 2 of them. They go into there. Oh,
Okay.
Ooh, it's here
That's
too.
about
What's
it.
this? We're just going to do this. It's all going to the same place anyway, right? There we go. Oh, don't put that in the sink, stupid.
Dumbass.
1 cup of very strong coffee, like you drink for breakfast, like that. Get in the bowl. What else do we got here? Got the onion in there. Oh, 1 teaspoon of salt. I usually don't use these. They go like, woo. 1 teaspoon of salt.
Salt.
Salt. Oh crap. 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. That's not even worth messing with.
Oh, fuck.
Here. There. A little bit of pepper. 1/8 of a teaspoon, it says. Believe it or not, we just kick the heat on.
To what?
Oh, I would just put it on somewhere around like
High?
6. No, somewhere around 6. We'll do that. Yeah.
Stir it up.
And yeah, stir it up real good, mix it together, and we're gonna cook it over medium heat. Yep, that would be 6. Stirring occasionally, so we don't have to stir it all the time, for 10 minutes. You do that 10 minutes, folks. Just get it mixed well. In fact, you want a whisk? I think a whisk might work better. Breast up the chunks. Let's get that little jammer out. If I can get to it. Here, use this little fart. We go choo-choo-choo. Trade out. Trade you. But we're not going to waste your time too much, folks. Just showing you how to get it mixed together, and we'll give you a good look at it. Mixed. Because after that, you've already got all your ingredients. So, yeah. Get it all mixed up and nice and smooth looking. And we can show you the color real quick. And that's going to be about it for this episode. It's a simple, easy recipe, and it is good. We've used it on pork, we've used it on chicken. It's pretty damn good.
Look at
it's
that.
Really simple. Yeah, look at there, folks. Yummy stuff.
Stuff comes out of me
And
like
I
that
said,
when I drink hard
it
liquor.
is the low carb diet stuff way too. Yes, yes. So what we're going to do, we're going to let that go for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally, and then we're going to reduce the heat to low. Put it on low, man. Like, oh shit, like low. And you're going to let that simmer and stir occasionally also for another 30 minutes. So 10 minutes, stirring like this on medium heat. Yes, it'll come up and kind of start boiling. And then 30 minutes on a very low heat, simmering. Occasional stir, and you want to keep it in a sealed container in the refrigerator after it cools down until you want to barbecue something like cauliflower or something what you people eat.
Who puts barbecue sauce on cauliflower?
Maybe some grass. I don't know what you people eat. Chicken, pork chops, ribs, anything that you want to, turkey, fish. I don't care what you barbecue. This is good stuff on the barbecue. You can't hardly tell that it's maple syrup, sugar free, from brown sugar anyway. It comes out really good. So,
Coffee in it?
yeah, it's all in there.
Okay,
It's all in the bowl, man. So, let's take it back over here, and we'll get signed off of here, and we'll clean up this mess, folks. It's too bad you couldn't have some of this deliciousness lemon pie, but another time, folks, another time. But, anyways, for I hope you enjoyed the episode. For Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG, guy out of the hat still. I'm Lefty, and I'm Righty.
And I'm KLG.
BLG special guest. And we'll see you back here for another exciting adventure of Hands On with BLG. Bye, folks. Hit the like buttons. Subscribe. Send me things that you want me to make. I'll try them. Bye, folks.